Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi and today we are working on the new hand. She still does not have a name, so we all need to get together and decide what it's going to be. We did have a suggestion which actually I really did like, and I liked it because the other hand's name is Dolly and the suggestion was either Loretta or Patsy, which keeps it in the old school country music family. So I think those are pretty good suggestions. But you guys hit me up down below and let me know any suggestions you have for names for the new hand. I did also want to point out, in case you didn't notice, you can fold these fingers down. See how they fold down and the other one is just there and I'm able to work on it so nice. So I really like that. So what I'm doing here is just building out a nail with some pink builder gel, and the builder gel is from Yay Yogi. This video is not sponsored by anyone. And I am going to go ahead and build all the nails out, but I don't show you that. I just show you this one. But, you know, I think you guys like to see the sculpting as much as you like to see the art, but maybe not all the fingers. Let me know in the comment section below if I'm wrong about that. I just got a little on her cuticle there, and so I'm cleaning that out. And then we're going to fix everything up a little more, I think, and then put it in the lamp. Actually, yep, there we go. We're going to add a little more product because that was just a little slip layer action. And then we're going to finish building up this nail. Normally, I do speed this up quite a bit, but since we only did one, I decided to just go ahead and let it ride. And this is actually a super short video today. The art on here is really simple. And also, I forgot to press record during part of it, so you don't get to see part of it. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm really sorry about that. Oopsie! I had to get up from the table and I pressed pause on the record and I forgot to unpause it. Now I'm just removing this form and showing you how the nail turned out. Needs a little filing, but not too bad, right? And movie magic, they're all done. And what we're going to do is paint that ring finger purple. And then all the other nails, we are going to paint those in a really pretty soft blue color. And this polish is from the Mifa Perfect 20 collection. And again, this video is not sponsored by them. I'm going to clean this up a little because that was a little streaky. And then we're going to cure. Actually, I think I do the blue before we cure. I love how that polish lays down, but you can see that I do have some air holes in my nails. That's a bummer, but it does seem to be a function of some of the thinner gels that they hold on to those air pockets a little bit better. And now all of the nails are going to become blue, and then what I'm going to do off camera that you actually do not get to see is in the corresponding colors. So sorry if that's a little loud. My daughter just got in the shower, so there. As soon as she hit the shower part, it got a little quieter. I'm sorry if that was super loud. What I'm gonna do, the part that you don't get to actually see, is on the purple nail, I don't actually add anything, but on all of the blue nails, I add a little purple triangle, which you will see here in just a moment. On, let me look at what I did because it's still over here. On one of them, it's up by the cuticle, and on two of them, as you can see now, on two of them, that's toward the bottom. But I didn't do a blue triangle on the purple because I felt like it probably wouldn't really show up and it wouldn't be true to color. So I just left it plain, but we are going to add the striping tape to that one as well. And I just put a little line of silver striping tape from the triangle down to the bottom or the top, depending on the nail. And honestly, you want to give yourself some room to work. Don't try to stick down the tape with the part that you touched. You're going to have to just use a little extra so that you can put down the fresh tape, okay? So just know that when you use tape, you need to pull a little extra and not use the part that you touched, because the striping tape is not super sticky. It's not like duct tape or anything. And so now I'm just trimming these up, and we do add them to the other 2 nails as well. And then we just give her one little bit of bling on each nail to sort of bring everything together. So what we're doing now is just adding the top coat. And then we're gonna stick a gem in each one of those lines. On the nails with the triangles, it goes right by the triangles, but on the purple one, we just do it up at the top. Actually, on the purple one, I'm sorry, we don't add a gem at all. Just on the blue ones. I'm sorry, you guys. Oops. Okay, we're just about done here, and there will be some reveal shots, so be sure you stick around for those. But let me know in the comment section below if you like this set. I will say that it's going to take a second for me to get used to working on this new hand, because she's a little fatter in the fingertips, and so the nails are not coming out the same shape, but I will get that under control. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in next week's videos. Bye-bye.